Welcome to this PIERRE Academy tutorial. In this video, we will show the PIERRE Hotel RFID and walk through its wiring and setup step by step. We start by removing the front cover and wiring the screw terminals. For this, we need 12-volt power and ground. All terminals are clearly labeled, so we connect everything according to the markings. Once powered, an audible beep confirms that the device is receiving power. Next, we wire the communication lines. We connect D0 and D1 to the PIERRE controller. In our case, we use pin 7 and pin 8. After that, we wire the RGB backlight, which will illuminate the logo. The RGB output can be connected to pins 1 through 6, while the RFID communication itself can be connected to pins 1 through 8, depending on the setup. Once all wiring is complete, we snap the plexi cover back into place, align it properly, and press it on evenly. Now we move to the software setup. We open the Partner app and select the Academy controller. As you can see, there is already a door configured that we'll use for testing. We go to Configurable I/O and add a new RFID access control. We name it Hotel RFID. Then set D0, D1, and choose a free pin for the feedback signal. Next, we add the RGB control. We choose Add RGB Light, name it Hotel RGB, place it on the dashboard, and select pin 6, since that's where it's wired. Then we choose Submit and Done. The next step is linking the RFID to the door automation. We open the door settings, go to Automation, choose Add New Automation, select Existing I/O, and choose Hotel RFID. We set the trigger to When Active, then Save and Finish. Now we switch to the User app to test the system. We added a new RFID card and named it Test RFID. We simply hold the card near the reader, and it's instantly recognized. After saving, we can test it right away, and the door unlocks immediately. Since we're using RGB lighting, we can also assign it to different states. Using scenarios, we can configure the LED to turn red when Do Not Disturb is active, green when entry is allowed, and blue when cleaning is requested. These colors and functions can be fully customized to match the hotel's needs. And that's it. This is how easy it is to wire and configure the PIERRE Hotel RFID system. See you in the next video.